Speed in the car, that's on some wheels.
Guys, it is Rcrealness back at it again with another YouTube video. Today I have a unboxing of my, I can't turn this out because that's my address, an unboxing of my DH Gates Michael Kors Dupe. Yes, I said dupe. I got it for $18. I wanted to order on the website to see what it would look like. And here we go. Here. So I'm gonna open the package. What I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing in the package. Okay, so as I unbox it, it's like there's another layer of this is the bag. This is what it looks like. There's a tag right there. And let's open this package. Alright, take the bubble off. Okay, so after like 2 or 3 layers of bubble wrap, this is what I'm left with. I can see through the bag, I guess, but so as you see, it says Michael Kors. Yeah, it's a so the bottom is taped up. So okay. Let's do this thing up right here. Now the good stuff. The bag came in a, I guess it's a paper dust bag. This is what I got.
Oh, the ghetto.
Michael Kors. What it says on the tag, it says Michael by Michael Kors Jet Set Charm Item Gun Metal. Let me just straighten it out a little bit. It smells like plastic and glue, but here's the inside. It says Michael by Michael Kors. It doesn't look that bad. The M, the H is kind of crooked, but it's like slight, like you can like barely see it. Like again, the light, so you can barely see it, but like the H in the Michael is like somewhat crooked, but it's like, yeah, it'd be close, like, but it's not that bad. And basically it has a little pocket right here, a little pocket right here, and then it has another pocket right here, and then the zipper. It doesn't look bad. The smell. So that's my bag, you guys. Alright, you guys, just let me know if you guys like me to unbox any other dupes that you see on the website, like DH Gates, AliExpress, stuff like that. And I'll be able to unbox it for you. But you guys have a good one. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and bye.